Yes. Good afternoon, students. How are you? I hope you will be fit and fine at your home. So, in the previous session, we have learned some ordering numbers. हमने पिछले सेशन में ऑर्डरिंग नंबर्स के बारे में पढ़ा था. व्हाट इज असेंडिंग ऑर्डर एंड व्हाट इज डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ओके, हमने पढ़ा था असेंडिंग ऑर्डर क्या होता है, डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर क्या होता है. सो what is ascending order? The number means the smallest number to the greatest number is called ascending order. Means when we arrange numbers from smallest to greatest, then it is called ascending order. And when we arrange the numbers from greatest to the smallest, then it is called descending order. ठीक है. जब हम किसी नंबर्स को छोटे से बड़े की तरफ जमाते हैं, सबसे छोटे की तरफ सबसे बड़े की तरफ, तो क्या कहलाता है वो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. और असेंडिंग ऑर्डर ऑल्सो नोन एज इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर इज ऑल्सो नोन एज डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. ठीक है. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर को हम इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर भी कहते हैं एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर को हम डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर भी कहते हैं. क्लियर? सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड what is ascending order and what is descending order. Now I am repeating the definition of ascending order. When we arrange the numbers from the smallest to greatest, then it is called ascending order. And when we arrange the numbers from greatest to the smallest, then it is called descending order. Got it? जब हम किसी नंबर्स को छोटे से बड़े की तरफ जमाते हैं, अरेंज करते हैं, तो वो कहलाता है असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. और जब हम किसी नंबर्स को बड़े से छोटे की तरफ जमाते हैं तो वो डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर कहलाता है. इज इट क्लियर? ओके, सो टुडे वी विल डू द एक्सरसाइज 1.3 on the basis of ascending and descending order. Clear? Yes. So let's start. You can see this is the exercise of 1.3. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to the greatest. Okay? You have to learn one thing. Smallest to greatest means ascending order. And greatest to the smallest means descending order. Okay? You have to learn the two things only. One thing, smallest to greatest means ascending order. And the greatest to the smallest is descending order. Got it? दो बातें याद रह जाएगी आपको. दो बात याद रखनी है. First thing, the smallest to the greatest is ascending number and the greatest to the smallest is descending order. ठीक है. छोटे से बड़ा ascending order and बड़े से छोटा descending order. Let's start. The A, you can see the A questions and we have to arrange in the ascending order. Okay? In all the questions, we have to arrange the number in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to the greatest. Let's start. So first of all, we read the questions. What numbers are there? 46, 81, 33, 67. So we have to arrange this number in the ascending order. So first of all, we will write the smallest number. Okay? So which is the smallest number? 33. Which is the smallest number? 33. So first of all, we will write in this first column 33. Okay? Then after, which one is the greater than 33? You can see 46, because we have to go ahead smallest to greatest. हमें छोटे से बड़े की ओर आगे की तरफ जाना है ना? So this is the smallest number. Then after, which one is the greater? 46. So here we will write 46. Okay? Next, which one is the greater than 46? 67. So here we will write 67. Okay. And which is the greatest number? 81. So here we will write 81. Got it? So here we have arranged in ascending order. Smallest number, greater, greater, and greatest. Done? Same thing we will repeat. Okay? In the B questions, you can see which is the smallest number? 33. So here we will write 33, 33. Got it? Next, which number is greater than 33? 55. Here we will write 55. And now, which one is greater than 55? 77. So here we will write 77. And which one is the greatest? 99. Which one is the greatest? 99. Okay, this is the greatest number and this is the smallest number. And we have to arrange in the ascending order, means smallest to greatest. Now, C. So which one is the smallest number? 1515. So here we will write 1515. Okay. Next, then which one is the greater than 15? 25. Here we will write 25. Then after, which one is greater? 45. 45. And which one is the greatest number in the whole? 55. So here we will write 55. Next. In D questions, which one is the smallest number? See here, 61. So here we will write 61 is the smallest number in the whole. And which one is greater? 63. So here we will write 63. And then after, which one is greater than 63? 67. And which one is the greatest number in all? 69. Which one is greater? Greatest? 69. Get it? Got it? Next. And the E questions. You can see E. So we have to recognize which one is the smallest number. 13. 1, 3, 13. And then after, which one is greater? 37. 37, 37. And then which one is greater than 37? 43. So 43 is the greater than 37. And which one is greatest number in all four numbers? So 59 is the greatest number. 59. Okay. So we have arranged the whole number in the ascending order. In which order? Ascending order. Means what I said, what I told you, what you have to learn one thing. Ascending order means smallest to the greatest. The smallest to the greatest. It means ascending order. And ascending order also known as increasing order. Got it? Okay. Now, move to the next page. Yes, this page number 7. Okay. Yes, open this page 7. Second question. Arrange in following numbers in descending order. Arrange in the following numbers in the descending order. It means we have to arrange this whole number in the descending order. And what does mean descending? Descending means the greatest to the smallest. Descending means the greatest to the smallest. Okay, you have to learn the two things now. One thing, ascending order means the smallest to the greatest number, and the descending order means the greatest to the smallest number. Okay, so in this question, in second question, we have to arrange this number in descending order, means greatest to the smallest number. Clear? हमें बड़े से छोटे की तरफ जमाना है in second questions. Let's start. So you can see the first question is 9090, 2727, 6 and 4545. So we have to arrange in descending order, means greatest to the smallest. So which one is the greatest? Which number is the greatest? 90. 9090. So first of all, we will write 9090. Done? Then which one is the smaller than 19? 19 se chota kaun hai? You can see 45. So here we will write 45, 45. Okay. And then which one is the smaller than 45? 27. So here we will write 27. And last number, which one is the smallest in all? In sabhi mein se sabse chota kaun hai? 6. So the 6 is the smallest number in all. So 6 is the smallest number. So here, this order is the descending order. Okay, greatest to the smallest. Is it clear? Okay, now we will do the B. Yes, you can see there are 29, 45, 73, 14. Okay, so which number is the greatest number in all? So 73. 73 is the greatest number, because we have to arrange in the descending order, means greatest to the smallest. So 73. Then after, which one is the smaller than 73? 45. So here we will write 45. अब 73 से छोटा कौन हुआ? 45. Okay. Then which one is the smaller than 45? अब 45 से छोटा कौन है थोड़ा? 29. So here we will write 29. And which one is the smallest number in all? 14. 1, 4, 14. So 14 is the smallest number in all. In सभी में से 14 जो है वो smallest number है. So this is the descending order, greatest to the smallest. Greatest to the smallest. Now C. See, you can see there are 97, 89, 62, 53. So first of all, we have to identify which one is the greatest number. So 89 is the not greatest. 97 is the greatest number. So here we will write 97. Then which one is the smaller than 97? 89. Then after, which one is the smaller than 89? 62. And which one is the smallest in all numbers? 53. Okay. So this order is known as Descending order means greatest to the smallest. Now, D. In this number, 99 is the greatest number. 29, 28, 99, 19, 19, 76. So which one is the greatest number? 99. So here we will write 99. And which one is the smaller than 99? 99 के बाद छोटा कौन है? 76. 76. Okay. And then after, which one is the smaller than 76? So 28. So here we will write 728. After that, 29. Which one is the smallest number in all? Yes, the 19 is the smallest number in all numbers. So here, this order is known as descending order. Okay, means greatest to the smallest number. Is it clear? Got it? Next, E questions. So there are 93, 70, 97, 99, 91. Okay, so in all number, which one is the greatest number? 99. So here we will write 99. After that, which one is the smaller than 99? Which number is smaller than 99? 97. So here we will write 97. After 97, which one is the smaller than 97? 93. 93. And after 93, which one is the smallest number in all? 91. Okay. So this order is known as descending order, and descending order also known as the decreasing order. Okay. So what does mean decreasing means? Greatest to the smallest. Is it clear? I hope you have understood that what is the ascending order and what is the descending order. Got it? Is it clear? Okay. So today we have done the exercise number 1.3. Question number 1 and question number 2. We have completed today. Clear? So today you have to fill this exercise in your book. Question number 1 of 1.3 and question number 2 also 1.3. You have to fill in the books. Clear? And complete your work. Got it, beta? Okay.